Oh, there's a little extra measures in here, so just follow me. It's based on a Bible verse, 1 Corinthians 13, 1 through 3. Thought it would fit today. Do you want the mic? Though I may speak with bravest fire and have the gift to all inspire, but have not love, my words are in vain.